Yesterday? Day before yesterday, right?
Wednesday.
Oh.
April Fool's Day.
Okay.
Here's my pretty new car. Ooh, ah.
Pretty car.
Make sure you get the name in there.
Okay, let's go inside.
Okay.